For question number 1, go ahead and draw your line through the equal sign. Follow the little steps for the little acronym that we made up, the Don't Call Me After Midnight. D stands for distributive property. Since we don't see any parentheses, there's no distributive property, so we move on to the combining like terms. I can see that on the left side of my line, I have a positive 5x and a negative 12x. Remember to include the sign right there. How do I know they're like terms? Because they have the same variable to the same power. One's positive, one's negative, so we're going to subtract them. 12 minus 5, that is a 7. Now is it going to be positive or negative? Well, it's going to be negative because we got more negatives. So negative 7x, bring down your plus 6, equals, and bring down the whole right side. I can't combine anything over here because this guy doesn't have an x, so they're not like terms. All right, so now we go to the next letter, which is move the variable. If you have letters on both sides of that line, you got to get rid of one. And it doesn't matter which one you get rid of, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this minus 7x by doing the opposite. The opposite of negative would be positive. So I'm going to do plus 7x, plus 7x. This side cancels, that's why we did the opposite. Bring this guy down, positive 6, equals 9 plus 7. Add them up, that's 16x, and bring down your plus 51. Now, keep working with the side that has the variable and get rid of that plus 51 by doing the opposite. Minus 51, minus 51. One's positive, one's negative, so again, we're going to have to subtract them. So 51 minus 6, that gives you 45. And it's going to be negative because we got more negatives. So negative 45 is equal to 16x. And finally, divide by 16. So x is going to be equal to negative 45 over 16.